वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
As a reminder, we would like to request that everyone please silence their cell phones, keep their children seated, and remain in their seats throughout the entire performance. Thank you for your involvement. I would now like to introduce the other remarkable musicians who have made tonight possible. We are delighted to welcome the Aurora Venkatesh on the Mridangam. Disciple of Sangeeta Kalanidhi Shri T.H. Vinayakaram and the late Shri T.H. Subhash Chandran, Arun has accompanied many concerts in our engagement across the Midwest and North Carolina for over a decade. Next, we are pleased to welcome Srimati Kalpana Prasad on the violin. A disciple of Sangeeta Kalanidhi Shri M. Chandrasekaran, Kalpana has accompanied renowned Carnatic musicians in several Bharatanatyam engagements across the United States and has received recognition from prestigious music organizations. We are so happy to have Sangeet Madhu, disciple of J.A. Jagannath, accompanying us for this evening on the flute and the keys. An award-winning young musician, he has performed across India, the United States, and Canada, accompanying several engagements and devotional musical performances. We hope you enjoyed the first half of Namida's engagement because there is still so much beautiful energy and storytelling.
Our next presentation is a traditional piece from the Bharatanatyam titled Varnam Aryam. This composition is inspired by verses from Natyar Dirmuri by the saint poetess Andal, in which he describes her divine appearing Lord Ranganatha. The title Varnam Aryam, meaning 1,000 elephants, symbolizes the grandeur, joy, and auspiciousness of the celestial wedding. Through graceful movement, intricate rhythms, and expressive storytelling, this piece beautifully portrays Andal's deep devotion and pure, unconditional love for the divine. The ragam is Nataguranji and the talam is Adi. Everyone please give a big round of applause for Namita entering the stage.
காலை பூபோரக்க நான் கண்டேன் தோழி. இந்திரன் இட்ட தேவர் குழாமுலான் வந்திருந்து என்னை மகள் பேசி மந்திரித்து மந்திர கோடி ஓடு தீவனமாலை அந்தரி சூட்ட கனா கண்டே தோழி. நாற்றி சைதீபம் கொணர்ந்து நன்னி நல்கி பார்ப்பன சிட்டகர்கள் பல்லாரேடு பேட்டி பூப்புனை கண்ணி புனித நொடன்று காப்பு நான் கட்டக கனா கண்டேன் தோழி. கதிரொளி தீபம் கலசமுடன் ஏந்தி சதிரிடமந்து ஏறி கொள்ள மதுரையார் நிலை போட்டு ஆதிர பூபோரக்க நான் கண்டேன் தோழி. மத்தளம் கொட்டக வரிசங்கம் நின்றோட முத்துடை தாழகமம் நிறை தாண்ட பங்கற்கியே மைத்துனல் நம்பி மதுசூதன் தென்னை கைத்தலம் பற்ற கண்டேன் ஓழி. வாய் நல்லார் நல்ல மறையோதி மந்திரத்தால் பாசிலை நாணல் படுத்து பருதி வைத்து காய்ச்சினாமகளிரின் கைப்பற்றி தீபம் செய்ய கனா கண்டேன் ஓழி. இம்மைக்கும் ஏழே பிறவிக்கும் பற்றான் நம்முடையவன் நாராயணன் நம்பி செம்மையுடைய கையால் தாழ்வற்று அம்மி மீது கற்பனா கண்டேன் தோழி. வரிசிலை வாழ்முகத்து என்னை மாட்டாம் வந்திட்டு நெறிமுகம் பாதித்து என்னை முன்னே நிறுத்தி அறிமுகன் சூத்தன் கைமேல் கை வைத்து ஒட்டி முகம் நான் கண்டேன் தோழி. குங்குமப்பி குளிச்சாந்தம் மட்டித்து மங்கள வீதி செய்து மணநீர் அங்கவனோடு மூடன் சென்றானை மேல் மஞ்சனமாட்ட கனா கண்டேன் தோழி கனா கண்டேன் தோழி ஆனந்தமானந்தமானந்தமே ஆனந்தமானந்தமானந்தமே ஆண்டாள் கல்யாண வைபோகமே ஆண்டாள் கல்யாண வைபோகமே ஆனந்தமானந்தமானந்தமே பரமானந்தமானந்தமானந்தமே ஆனந்தமானந்தமானந்தமே ஆனந்தமானந்தம் ஆனந்தமே ஆனந்தமானந்தம் ஆனந்தமே.
What an amazing performance. Let's once again applaud Namita for that graceful performance. Now we would like to invite Namita's longest friend, Kaveri, to say a few words about Namita.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you all for coming tonight to celebrate this incredible accomplishment of Namita's. To start off, I want to talk about what Namita means to me. In many ways, she has shown me what it's like to have a sister, and as an only child, this has been so beyond meaningful. Although we live hundreds of miles away from each other, I can confidently say I've never once questioned her love or loyalty to our bond. If someone asked me to look back on my life and pick out my favorite memories, I can say with complete confidence that Namita is pretty much all of them. Being with her can turn any moment, big or small, into something unforgettable. Knowing her and having the opportunity to grow with her for the past 18 years has been one of my life's greatest blessings. Watching Namita accomplish this dream of hers has been so special and inspiring. I know she has put years of hard work, dedication, and commitment that brought her to this very moment. I'm so grateful I have the opportunity to see this beautiful performance of hers and see the incredible dancer that she has become. Her loyalty and commitment to her art has contributed immensely to her success. The way she pours her heart into the things and people she cares about is so beautiful, and I see it here today and outside of dance as well. It is one of the many reasons why she is so special to me and why she is one of my closest friends. Today her talent has shined on the stage alongside her countless hours of hard work. Watching her grow into the strong, beautiful, and confident young woman we all see today has been so fulfilling. I could say I'm so proud of her a million times in a million ways, but there truly aren't enough words in this universe to express how much pride I really feel when I look at her. And this is not just today, but every day. I'm so honored I get to have someone like her in my life. Finally, before I finish, I want to take a moment to thank Meghna, Veena Auntie, and TG Uncle as well. When I look at you all, I don't just see my friends, I see my second parents and my two sisters. Someone once told me, home isn't a place, it's a feeling, and to me you have all always felt like home. I know we don't see each other very often, but I will always hold you guys the closest to my heart. Thank you for allowing me to be a small part of such a special day for Namita. So on that note, Namita, I love you so much. Congratulations on this amazing accomplishment of yours. You deserve the world and more. Thank you, everyone.
That was so sweet. Can we get another round of applause for Kaveri? Now we have a very special surprise for Namita. My mom will be singing a song, her favorite song, just for her. So Amma, could you please come on stage? Hello.
ಕಂಡನ
ಕನಸಿನಲಿ ಕಂಡೆನ ಕನಸಿನಲಿ ಗೋವಿಂದನ 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 ಕಂಡೆನ ಕನಸಿನಲಿ ಕಂಡೆನ ಕನಸಿನಲಿ ಕಂಡೆನ ಕನಸಿನಲಿ ಕಂಡೆನ ಕನಸಿನಲಿ ಕನಕರತ್ನದ ಕಣಿಯ ಕಂಡೆನ ಕನಸಿನಲಿ ಕನಕರತ್ನದ ಕಣಿಯ ನಂದನ ಕಂದ ಮುಕುಂದನ ಚರಣವ ನಂದನ ಕಂದ ಮುಕುಂದನ ಚರಣವ ನಂದನ ಕಂದ ಮುಕುಂದನ ಚರಣವ ಕಂಡೆನ ಕನಸಿನಲಿ ಗೋವಿಂದನ ಕಂಡೆನ ಕನಸಿನಲಿ ಗೋವಿಂದನ ಕಂಡೆನ ಕನಸಿನಲಿ ಮಂಗಳಧರ ತುಂಗ ಭದ್ರದಿ ಮೇರೆವನ ಅಂಗಜ ಪೀತ ಶ್ರೀ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಪತಿಯ ಮಂಗಳಧರ ತುಂಗ ಭದ್ರದಿ ಮೇರೆವನ ಅಂಗಜ ಪೀತ ಶ್ರೀ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಪತಿಯ ಶೃಂಗಾರ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಶೃಂಗಾರ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಕಂಗಳಿಂದಲಿ ಕಂಡೆ ಇಂಗಿತು ಭವ ಭಯ ಕಂಗಳಿಂದಲಿ ಕಂಡೆ ಇಂಗಿತು ಭವ ಭಯ ಕಂಡನ ಕನಸಿನಲಿ ಗೋವಿಂದನ ಕಂಡನ ಕನಸಿನಲಿ ಗೋವಿಂದನ ಕಂಡನ ಕನಸಿನಲಿ 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 Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you again, Bina Ali. That was absolutely beautiful. Could everyone please give it up once more for Namita? Next is Narasimha Gautama. Narasimha Gautama purchased an award Narasimha, who appears to protect the devotee Prahlada and defeat the demon king Hiranyakashipu. Through dynamic movements and expressive Bharatanatyam storytelling, this piece vividly depicts divine protection and the triumph of good over evil. The ragam is Ragamanika and the talam is Gandacham. Let's now welcome Namita on stage.
Re ನಿಕೇತನ ಚಕ್ರಪಾಣೆ ಭೋಗೀಂದ್ರ ಭೋಗಿ ಮಣಿರಾಜಿತ ಪುಣ್ಯಮೂರ್ತೆ ಯೋಗೀಶ ಶಾಶ್ವತ ಶರಣ್ಯ ಭವಾಪ್ತಿ ಪೋದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ನೃಸಿಂಹ ಮಮ ದೇಹಿ ಕರಾವಲಂಬಂ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ನರಸಿಂಹ ಮಮ ದೇಹಿ ಕರಾವಲಂಬಂ ಸಿಂಹಾಯ ಉಗ್ರಸಿಂಹಾಯ ಭೂಭೋಲಿ ವೀಕ್ಷಣಕದಿವ್ಯ ಸಿಂಹಾಯ ಉಗ್ರಾಯ ವೀರಾಯ ವಜ್ರದಂಶಾಯ ಜ್ವಾಲಾಮಾಲಿ ಜ್ವಲನ್ಮುಖಾಯ ಓಂ ನರಸಿಂಹಾಯ ಉಗ್ರಸಿಂಹಾಯ ಸಂಭೋಲಿ ವೀಕ್ಷಣಕದಿವ್ಯ ಸಿಂಹಾಯ ಉಗ್ರಾಯ ವೀರಾಯ ವಜ್ರದಂಶಾಯ ಜ್ವಾಲಾಮಾಲಿನಿ ಜ್ವಲನ್ಮುಖಾಯ
ತಡಿಕು ಢೀಂ ಢೀಂ ಕುಕುತ ಢೀಂ ಢೀಂ ಉದತ್ತ ಜಿಗಟ ದಣಾಜುನು ಧಿಡಿ ಕುಕುತ ಢೀಂ ಢೀಂ ತಡಿಕು ಢೀಂ ಢೀಂ ಕುಕುತ ಢೀಂ ಢೀಂ ಉದತ್ತ ಜಿಗಟ ದಣಾಜುನು ಧಿಡಿ ಕುಕುತ ಢೀಂ ಢೀಂ ತದ್ದಿತ್ತ ದಿತ್ತಕ ದಿತ್ತಾಯ ದಿತ್ತಿಂ ತಕ ದಿತ್ತ ದಿತ್ತಕ ದಿತ್ತಾಯ ದಿತ್ತಿಂ ತದ್ಧೀರ ದಿತ್ತಕ ದಿತ್ತಾಯ ದಿತ್ತಿಂ ತಕ ದಿತ್ತ ದಿತ್ತಕ ದಿತ್ತಾಯ ದಿತ್ತಿಂ
ಮಹಾದಂಶಾಯುಧ ಮಹಾಜ್ವಾಲಾಯ ಭೈರವಾಡಂಬರ ವಿಶ್ವಂಭರಾಯ ಘೋರ ವಿಕ್ರಮ ದೈತ್ಯ ದಾನವಾಭುಂಜನ ಶೂರ ಹಿರಣ್ಯಕಶಿಪೂಧ್ವಂಸಕಾಯ ಮಗಾದಂಶಾಯುಧ ಮಗಾಜ್ವಾಲಾಯ ಭೈರವಾಡಂಬರ ವಿಶ್ವಂಭರಾಯ ಘೋರ ವಿಕ್ರಮ ದೈತ್ಯ ದಾನವಾಭುಂಜನ ಶೂರ ಹಿರಣ್ಯಕಶಿಪೂಧ್ವಂಸಕಾಯ
ತಾನಂ ತನಂ ತರಿತ ಕಿಟ ತೋಂ ತೋ ಧಿಮ್ಮಿ ಧಿಮಿತ ಕಿಟ ತೋಂ 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 ತಾನಂ ತನಂ ತರಿತ ಕಿಟ ತೋಂ ತೋ ಧಿಮ್ಮಿ ಧಿಮಿತ ಕಿಟ ತೋಂ 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 ತರಿತ ಕಿಟ ಧನ ತಕಿಟ ಜುನು ತಕಿಟ ಧಿಮಿತ ಕಿಟ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೋಂ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೋಂ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೋಂ ತರಿತ ಕಿಟ ಧನ ತಕಿಟ ಜುನು ತಕಿಟ ಧಿಮಿತ ಕಿಟ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೋಂ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೋಂ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೋಂ
ಅಘೋರಾಯ ವಿಜಯ ನಾರಸಿಂಹಾಯ ಸಚ್ಚಿತಾನಂದಯೋಗಾನೃಸಿಂಹಾಯ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ ಬಾಲಕ ಶ್ರೀನಾರಸಿಂಹ ವೇದ್ಯಾಯ ವೇದಸಿ ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮಾಯ ಅಘೋರಾಯ ವಿಜಯ ನಾರಸಿಂಹಾಯ ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದಯೋಗಾನೃಸಿಂಹಾಯ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ ಬಾಲಕ ಶ್ರೀನಾರಸಿಂಹ ವೇದ್ಯಾಯ ವೇದಸೆ ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮಾಯ
ತ್ರಿಗುಟ್ಟ ಧರಿ ತ್ರಿಗುಟ್ಟ ಧನ ತ್ರಿಗುಟ್ಟ ಜುನು ತ್ರಿಗುಟ್ಟ ಧಿಮ್ಮಿ ತರಿತ ಧನ ಜುನು ಧಿಮಿತ ಕಿಟ ಧಿಮ್ 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 ತ್ರಿಗುಡ್ಡ ಧರಿ ತ್ರಿಗುಡ್ಡ ಧಣ ತ್ರಿಗುಡ್ಡ ಚುಣ್ಣು ತ್ರಿಗುಡ್ಡ ತಿಮ್ಮಿ ತರಿತ ಧಣ ಜುಣು ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ದಿಮ್ ತಾಮ್ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ದೀಂ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತೋಂ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ನಂ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೋ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೋ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೋ ತಾಮ್ ತರಗಡ ತಕ ದೀಂ ತರಗಡ ತಕ ತೋಂ ತರಗಡ ತಕ ನಂ ತರಗಡ ತಕ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೋ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೋ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೋ.
ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ನೃಸಿಂಹ ಭಕ್ತ ಪರಿಪಾಲಕ ಚರಣಾಗದ ವತ್ಸಲ ಶಾಂತರೂಪ. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ನೃಸಿಂಹ ಭಕ್ತ ಪರಿಪಾಲಕ ಶರಣಾಗದ ವತ್ಸಲ ಶಾಂತರೂಪ. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ನೃಸಿಂಹ ಭಕ್ತ ಪರಿಪಾಲಕ ಶರಣಾಗದ ವತ್ಸಲ ಶಾಂತರೂಪ. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ನೃಸಿಂಹ ಭಕ್ತ ಪರಿಪಾಲಕ ಶರಣಾಗದ ವತ್ಸಲ ಶಾಂತರೂಪ. ಓಂ ನಾರಸಿಂಹ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಓಂ ನಾರಸಿಂಹ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮಹಾನಾರಸಿಂಹ 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 ನಮಸ್ತೆ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ನಾರಸಿಂಹ ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
What an amazing performance. Let's give Amita once more a big hand for that wonderful performance. Krishna Ni Begane Varo, meaning Krishna, please come soon, is a beloved devotional composition in Kannada, written by the 16th century saint poet Vyasaraja. It reflects the devotees' heartfelt longing, lovingly inviting Lord Krishna to bless them with his divine presence. Through its poetic verses, the song beautifully describes Krishna's enchanting qualities and divine charm. In this Bharatanatyam presentation, the dance focuses on the tender and playful bond between Mother Yashoda and young Krishna, capturing its moments of affection, mischief, and maternal love through storytelling and graceful movement. The ragam is Yamuna Kali and the talam is Mishra Chapu. Please welcome Namita on stage for her next performance. कृष्णानी भगने बारो कृष्णानी भगने
ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಮುಖವನ್ನೇ ತೋರೋ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಮುಖವನ್ನೇ ತೋರೋ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಮುಖವನ್ನೇ ತೋರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಕಲಲಂತಿಗೆ ಗಜೆ ನೀಲದ ಬಾವುಲಿ ಕಲಲಂತಿಗೆ ಗಜೆ ನೀಲದ ಬಾವುಲಿ ನೀಲವರ್ಣನೆ ನಾಟ್ಯ ಆಡುತ್ತವಾರೋ ನೀಲವರ್ಣನೆ ನಾಟ್ಯ ಆಡುತ್ತವಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಉಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಡಿಗೆ ಬೆರಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗೋರ ಉಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಡಿಗೆ ಬೆರಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗೋರ ಕೊರಳೋಳು ಧರಿಸಿದ ವೈಜಯಂತಿ ಮಾಲೆ ಕೊರಳೋಳು ಧರಿಸಿದ ವೈಜಯಂತಿ ಮಾಲೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಕಾಶಿ ಪೀತಾಂಬರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಳಲು ಕಾಶಿ ಪೀತಾಂಬರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಳಲು ಸೀತ ಶ್ರೀಗಂಧ ಮೈಯೊಳಗಮ್ಮ ಭೂಷಿತ ಶ್ರೀಗಂಧ ಮೈಯೊಳಗಮ್ಮ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗವನ್ನೇ ತೋರಿದ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗವನ್ನೇ ತೋರಿದ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗವನ್ನೇ ತೋರಿದ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗವನ್ನೇ ತೋರಿದ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ದ್ವಾರಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಡುಪಿಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಡುಪಿಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಡುಪಿಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಡುಪಿಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣ 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 ಕೃಷ್ಣ
performance. Let's give them a well-deserved round of applause. Our next piece is Shankara Shrikari. It is a kirtanam in the praise of Lord Shiva, celebrating him as the divine lord of dance. Radiating a powerful and luminous presence, Shiva performs his cosmic dance in the sacred Chitra Sabha, surrounded by his attendants, the Bhutaganas. Adorned with the Rudraksha Mala and the sacred ash, his dynamic nritya fills the hall with energy, grace, and divinity. As the sound of his anklets echo through the Sabha, the assembled devas and rishis watch in awe, captivated by the divine spectacle and the mesmerizing music that accompanies his dance. This piece beautifully captures the rhythm and grandeur of Shiva's cosmic dance. The ragam is set in Hamsanadi and the talam is Adi. Please welcome Namita on the stage.
शंकर श्रीगिरि नाथ प्रभो शंकर श्रीगिरि नाथ प्रभो हे शंकर श्रीगिरि नाथ प्रभो हे शंकर श्रीगिरि नाथ प्रभो ओ 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 शंकर श्रीगिरि नाथ प्रभो के व्रत विराजित चित्र सभा में व्रत विराजित चित्र सभा में नाथ प्रभु के देख विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्री गिरि नाथ प्रभु भस्म त्रिनेत्र गले रुंडमाला 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 भूतन के संग नाचत बृंदी भूतन के संग नाचत बृंदी भस्म त्रिनेत्र गले रुंडमाला भूतन के संग नाचत बृंदी शंकर श्री गिरि नाथ प्रभु के नृत विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्री गिरि नाथ जनन 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 धीम 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 गुरु बाजे जनन 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 धीम 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 गुरु बाजे देव मुनि सब बन विराजे जनन 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 धीम धीम तई तकीत तत श्रुति गति राजे तई तकीत तत श्रुति गति राजे तई तकीत तत श्रुति गति पदुमनाभ मन कमल वीरा ಶಂಕರ ಶ್ರೀಗಿರಿನಾಥ ಪ್ರಭು ಶ್ವೇತ ವಿರಾಜಿತ ಚಿತ್ರ ಸಭಾ ಶಂಕರ ಶ್ರೀಗಿರಿನಾಥ ಪ್ರಭು ನಾಥ ಪ್ರಭೋ ನಾಥ ಪ್ರಭೋ ಶಂಕರ
That was an amazing performance. I think that deserved another round of applause. I would now like to welcome Meghna back for the vote of thanks.
Hello. Hello, everyone. Thank you all for being here to celebrate my sister's engagement. I know it means the world to her to see such an incredible community of family and friends gathered here to support her. First, I'd like to say thank you to our talented musicians. You made Namita's dream come to life in the most beautiful way, and her engagement wouldn't be the same without you. Next, thank you to Prashantini Auntie. Your commitment to your passion and passion to your art is truly inspiring, and I'm so grateful she had you as your teacher. And lastly, a big thank you to our parents. Your support for Namita is what really allows her to shine. Being her sister, I've had a front row seat to a side of her that many might not see. I've seen the early mornings, the grueling practices, the moments of frustration, and the unshakable determination that defines her. Our journey with dance actually started together. Growing up, we both used to go to dance classes with Prashantini Auntie. We shared those very early years learning basic steps and rhythms. But as life got busier and COVID hit, I eventually had to stop and I never quite picked it back up. Namita, however, had a different story. A couple years ago, she made the choice to dive back in with full force. Watching her return to Prashantini Auntie's studio and commit herself so completely was the first sign of the incredible artist you see today. Even though I've been away at college, I could still feel her passion from 3 hours away. Every time we talked on the phone, she was either on her way to dance or just coming back. And every time I came home for the weekend, the map was always the same. 75% of the time, she was at Prashantini Auntie's studio, and 25% of the time, she was at home, once again, dancing. Watching her from a distance has truly been inspiring. I've seen her master the delicate balance of schoolwork and a social life, all while maintaining the immense dedication this performance requires. She didn't just learn steps, she learned how to stand tall, how to speak without saying a word, and how to find grace in the grind. It's one thing to hear about the work, but it's another to see the physical toll and the mental strength it takes to keep going when the steps get harder and the dances get longer. Namita, you've shown me that when you truly love something, it becomes a part of who you are, no matter the distance or the obstacle. I've watched you transform from a young girl struggling to find rhythm, her dancing style, which we affectionately used to call robo-dancing, into a confident artist who commands the stage. I truly admire your discipline, your grace, and your perseverance. There were times I'm sure you felt exhausted, but you always found that second wind, driven by a deep respect for the tradition and your own high standards. Today isn't just a performance, it is the beautiful culmination of years of hard work, sacrifice, and commitment. This engagement is a grand tribute to the home and culture that raised her before she steps into a world that's entirely her own. It is a celebration of her heritage, her growth, and her incredible talent. It's bittersweet to see that your engagement is happening at the same time as your high school graduation. Everything is happening so fast. It's like watching you close the door on childhood and step into your adult life all in one breath. It warms my heart to know that we still get to write this next chapter of our life together because you're coming to my university, and I cannot tell you how much it means to me. I cannot tell you how much it means to know that when you step into this new world, I'll be right there beside you, showing you the ropes, making new memories, and cheering you on every step of the way. And I can remember how much we've already achieved just by getting to this moment. I couldn't be prouder of the dancer, and more importantly, the person you'll become. Thank you for being the best little sister a girl could ask for. Every single day with you is a new adventure, even the ups and downs. Thank you for being my rock and my person. In every lifetime, I hope you are right by my side, laughing, crying, and just my partner in time, just feeling like me. You are a constant reminder to me that passion, care, and hard work can create something truly magical. Congratulations.
Parents both on stage for their speeches.
Hello everyone. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
On behalf of our family, we extend our heartfelt thanks to each and every one of you for staying back and being part of this very special evening. Your presence, encouragement, warm applause, and blessings truly mean so much to us. Both Meghnas and Namita were learning Bharatanatyam from Prashantini from very young age. During COVID, they had a discontinuation classes for almost 3-4 years. And then around 2 years ago, Namita came to us and said, Amma, I want to do my Arangetram. So I want to go to Prashantini auntie and continue learning until I complete it. So hearing those words was incredibly emotional and fulfilling for us as parents. So I immediately messaged Prashantini and she responded right away saying, yes, we can do it. The journey began and the rest is history. As parents, witnessing Namita complete her Bharatanatyam Arangetram today has been an incredible emotion and fulfilling experience. She started learning Bharatanatyam at the age of 5 and has grown into an expressive, graceful dancer. She always goes straight to the essence of the song, seeks like meaning and makes her own. This milestone reflects years of dedication, discipline and perseverance, countless hours of practice, tired feet, unwavering commitment and sincere hard work. As a proud mother, it was deeply fulfilling to watch her practice and thoughtfully incorporate every piece of feedback and prepare herself with such sincerity and determination. Today, she did more than perform. She conveyed devotion, storytelling, and emotion through every graceful moment. And when she finally stepped onto the stage, she truly was a queen. What more could a parent ask for? Thank you.
First, we offer our deepest pranams and sincere gratitude to Guru Srimati Prashantini. Prashantini, your guidance, patience, encouragement, and blessings have shaped the journey in ways words cannot fully express.
Thank you for nurturing Namita not only as a dancer but also as an individual deeply rooted in tradition, discipline and values. Our heartfelt thanks also goes to vocalist Madhu, mridangist Arun, violinist Kalpana and flutist, our young talent Sangeet. Their spectacular live performance elevated today's presentation and beautifully brought every composition to life. A special note of thanks to Balaji for all the amazing photography, Gautam for the incredible albums, brochures and banners, and Murali and Hari for the spectacular arrangements and support throughout the event. Also, special thanks to Jai in the back. So, They managed all the audio lighting for this event. And we also want to thank Mr. Moore, Mr. Norman, and Parkwood High School staff for allowing us to use this beautiful facility. We are also truly grateful to our family and friends who have traveled all across from USA and also different parts of our greater Charlotte city. They have showered Namita with love and blessings. They have helped tirelessly with decoration, arrangements, and stood by us throughout this entire journey. A special thanks to everyone who have worked hard behind the scenes, offering their help, support, guidance, encouragement, every step of the way to make this day so memorable and successful for our family, and we will cherish this for the rest of our lives. Thank you. And also for this event, I'm going to go off script here and say something. My wife did half the work. My family and friends did the half of the work, but I had the 100% job of saying yes. And to pull off a function like this, it truly takes a whole village, and I feel incredibly blessed to say that we had the entire village through every step of this journey. This event would not have been possible without love, kindness, and support of each and every one of you. Most importantly, Namita, we are immensely proud of you. May this Arangetram mark the beginning of a lifelong journey in dance, culture, creativity, and self-expression. May you continue to grow, learn, and shine with humility, grace, and joy. With that, we once again thank you for sharing this memorable evening and joyous occasion with us. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you.
From the orchestra team, we would like to personally thank Veena and Srini for the wonderful hospitality, and Guru Prashantini for this wonderful opportunity to see these wonderful people, to be part of this event, and all the friends who fed us for 4 days yummy food. Thank you so much, everyone.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much. I can see the enjoyment. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು ನಾನು ತಪ್ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ತಪ್ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. ನಮಿತಾ ಬಂದು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 5 year old ಮಗುವಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ನಮಿತಾ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಕಲ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಶಿ ಟುಕ್ ಎ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್. And again, all of a sudden, she came to my house and Veena ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ನಮಿತಾ ಇದ್ದರು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು, ಪ್ರಶಾಂತಿನಿ we want to continue and we want to do an Arangetram ಅಂದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಶಾಕ್. 1 year ಗ್ಯಾಪಾ, 2 years ಗ್ಯಾಪಾ, ಅಥವಾ 6 months ಗ್ಯಾಪಾ, 4 years ಗ್ಯಾಪ್? ಓ ವಾಹ್, ಹೇಗೆ ನಮಿತಾ ಟಚ್ಚಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತಿನಿ ಅವಳು ಮನೇಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ ಮೀ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸರಿ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ದ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್. The day one in the when I'm seeing Namita, the progress was super fast ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ದಿನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೀಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಳು. ಟೀಚರ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂದರೆ ಅದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಾನಂತೂ ನನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ನೀನು ಲೆವೆಲ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗೋವರೆಗೂ ನೀನು ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅಷ್ಟು ನೀನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ಅವಳು ಅಷ್ಟು ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನಾಗಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಅವಳು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟು, ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್, ಟೈಮ್ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ದೂರದಿಂದ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ಗೆ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡೈಲಿ 1.5 hour ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಶಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಹೌಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ರಿಯಲಿ ಶಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಮೀ ಲೈಕ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಹರ್ ನಮಿತಾ. ರಿಯಲಿ ಯು ಮೇಡ್ ಮೀ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಟುಡೇ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್. ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಎಂಜಾಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಶೋ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಅವರು ಹಾಗೂ ಮಿಸಸ್ ವೀಣಾ ಅವರು. ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಅವರ ಮಗಳ ಟೀಚರಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ನಮಿತಾ. ಇದು ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷದ ವಿಷಯ ಇವತ್ತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಲೈಕ್ ತುಂಬ ನನ್ನ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್. ರಿಯಲಿ ದೇ ರೀಚ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ದೇ ಡಿಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟುಡೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇ ಅವತ್ತು ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಇವತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೂಪರ್. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ so happy today. It's a wonderful job from everyone. Thank you so much. ಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅರಂಗೇಟ್ರಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಬರೀ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲೀನು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೊಂದು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕು, ಒಂದು ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್. ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ಹೇಗಿದ್ರು ಅದೇ ಅರಂಗೇಟ್ರಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ದ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್, ಎ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕು, ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ every student. I am so happy, I am very, very happy today. And in behalf of my Natyanjali School of Dance, today I am giving her certificate, and because of her hard work, dedication, commitment, everything is up to level. I am giving a certificate. Please honor her. Namita, can you please come on stage?
Now I'd like to thank the vocalist Sri Madhu Venkatesh Chandrasekharan. Now on the mridangam, I'd like to thank Sri Arun Venkateshan. Next, on the violin, I'd like to thank Srimati Kalpana Prasad. And finally, on the flute and the keyboard, we'd like to thank Sangeet Badal. We get one more round of applause for all of our outstanding Now our dancer Namita is going to take us.
Hello everybody. Namaskara. Hi everyone. I can't even believe to describe how I feel right now. Thank you all so much for being here to watch me and support me on this special night. It really means the world to me having you all here. So there were so many people who helped us come to this day, and I can't even mention all of you guys, but I would like to take a moment to acknowledge a few special people. First, my amazing teacher, Prashantini Auntie. She has been my first and only dance teacher, and is the reason why I love dance so much. I'm so grateful for all the time, effort, and dedication you put into teaching me and helping me become the dancer I am today. This wouldn't have been possible without you, Auntie.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Amma, Appa, your unwavering dedication and love for me makes me feel blessed each moment of every day. They introduced me to dance and have worked so hard to prepare everything for today with a little bit of help. So thank you so much for everything from the bottom of my heart. I hope I blew you away tonight. Meghana, thank you for being someone I can talk to about anything and be myself with. Growing up with a sister means you always have someone who understands you, sometimes better than you do yourself. I always tell you this when I'm mad at you and in the most emotional way ever, so here's one when I'm not. Meg, you are not just my sister, but also my closest friend and the person I care about most in my life. Whenever I look back on my fondest childhood memories, you're at the heart of each one. Thank you. Kaveri, you are the one person in the world I can honestly say is like an older sister to me. I love that I can talk to you about anything, complain to you about anything, and tell you anything. You, Kavita Auntie, and Dinesh Uncle have all become a part of our family, so thank you all so much for staying by our side for all these years. And you have to for the rest of your life. Hawaii is happening, and I'm so excited to hang out even more this next semester. And last but definitely not least, my best friends, Viksha, Ganga, Joshi, and Tanish. You guys are probably the best thing that ever happened to me. We've been through so much together, and they have been by my side for so long and through my worst moments, so. They say you're lucky if you find even just one true friend, but I have 4. Thank you for everything, and I love you guys so much. For the past few months, I've been so nervous about tonight. I've put so much into this. I've put my blood, sweat, and tears into this. And all of you have made each second I put into it so worth it. So I want to thank each and every one of you for being here to support me not only on my art engagement, but also all my future endeavors. I promise the next time you see me perform, I will completely blow all of your minds again. Thank you.
Can we get another round of applause for Namita? That was a beautiful speech. Now we have a video.
When I was writing this speech, I didn't know that we had musicians at the time, so to all the musicians, thank you so much. You have made this so much better than I thought it would be, so thank you all for your hard work. I know how much you put into it, so thank you so much.
Now we have a very special video. It's a video of Namita throughout the years. If you could please turn your attention to the screen. A lot of you are featured in this, so don't be surprised if you are.
నమునని మతడికి జని సరిక చీరలు అల్లజేకుని
amazing MC. Truly could not have been possible without your support. So, Haley, you.
The grand finale of the recital is the Dillon, a vibrant and lively piece in Barley, regarded as the highlight of the orchestra. This item focuses on pure nitya, rhythmic dance, set to a musical composition of the same name. It features intricate, energetic footwork with varied speeds and rhythmic patterns, showcasing the dancer's agility, precision, and control. The rhythmic syllables sing in the music are beautifully translated into movement as the dancer brings the composition to life through dynamic sequences and graceful expression, accumulating in an exhilarating finale. This Tilana is composed by Lalgudi Jayaraman, the ragam is Madhuvandi, and the talam is Adi. Tilana is followed by the Mangalam, a short meditation during which the dancer performs Namaskara, offering gratitude and seeking blessings by everyone present. Please welcome Namita on stage.
धीं तद्दीं जं तणं ततोऽकृध्येय तद्दीं तद्दीं जं तणं ततोऽकृध्येय नाद्रतानि त्वं कृतानि तद्दीं तद्दीं जं तणं ततोऽकृध्येय नाद्रतानि त्वं कृतानि पखदीं ददीं जं तणं ततोऽकृध्येय नाद्रतानि त्वं कृतानि पखदीं ददीं जं तणं ततोऽकृध्येय नाद्रतानि त्वं कृतानि पखदीं ददीं नाद्रतानि त्वं कृतानि पखदीं ददीं जं तणं ततोऽकृध्येय नाद्रतानि त्वं कृतानि पखदीं ददीं जं तणं तद्दीं जं तणं ततोऽकृत्येय नाद्रतानि त्वं कृतानि पखदीं ददीं जं तणं ततोऽकृध्येय नाद्रतानि त्वं कृतानि पखदीं ददीं जं तणं ततोऽकृध्येय नाद्रतानि त्वं कृतानि पखदीं ददीं जं तणं ततोऽकृध्येय नाद्रतानि त्वं कृतानि प्रजनतानि दीं दीं जं त्वं जं तणं ततों तृतीं नाद्रेतानि तों तद्दीं जं गणं ततों तृतीं नाद्रेतानि तों कृतानि 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 तद्दीं तद्दीं जं गणं ततों तृतीं नाद्रेतानि तों कृतानि 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 तद्दीं तद्दीं जं गणं ततों तृतीं नाद्रेतानि तों कृतानि 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 तत्तानि दीं दीर्घं दीर्घं तद्दीं जं तडं ततों तृतीं नाद्रेतानि तों कृतानि तद्दीं जं गणं ततों तृतीं तजं तजं जं तजं तकणं तनं नं तनं तकजं तजं जं तजं तकणं तनं नौ तनं तकजं ಜಂ ತಜಂ ಸಕತ ಜಂ ತಜಂ ತಕಣಂ ತಣಂ ತಕತಣಂ ತಣಂ ತಕದೋಂ ತಕದೋಂ ತತೋಂ ತಕದೀಂ ತಕದೀಂ ತದೀಂ ತಕದೋಂ ತಕದೀಂ ತದೀಂ ಜಂ ತಣಂ ತದೋಂ ಧೃದೀಂ ನಾಧೃತಾನಿ ದೋಂ ಧೃತಾನಿ ತಕಧಾನಿ ದೀಂ ಧೀಂ ಜಂ ಧೀಂ ತೋಂ ಧೀಂ ತತ್ತದೀಂ ತದೀಂ ಜಂ ತಡಂ ತದೋಂ ಧೃದೀಂ ನಾಧೃತಾನಿ ದೋಂ ಧೃತಾನಿ ತತ್ತದೀಂ ತದೀಂ ಜಂ ತಡಂ ತದೋಂ ಧೃದೀಂ நீதம் எங்கிடும் இணையாள வந்தமனா மணிவண்ணா நீதம் எங்கிடும் இணையாள வந்தமன்னா மணிவண்ணா மனம் கொள்ளை கொண்ட கண்ணா 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 மனம் கொள்ளை கொண்ட கண்ணாயினி உன்னை கனவிலும் நனவிலும் காண்கிறேனே மனம் கொள்ளை கொண்ட கண்ணாயினி உன்னை கனவிலும் நனவிலும் காண்கிறேனே தகஜனு தீம் தீம் 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 பசந்தி பரிதம் மலப்ப கமம சமகரித தகஜனு தீம் தீம் தகஜனு தீம் தீம் தகஜனு தீம் தீம் பசந்தி பரிதம் மலப்ப கமம சமகரித தகஜனு தீம் தீம் தகஜனு தீம் தீம் தகஜனு தீம் தீம் நிசகரித பவனி தவமானி சகரித தகஜனு தீம் தீம் தகஜனு தீம் தீம் தகஜனு தீம் தீம் நிசகரிதானி மவனி தவಮ நிசகரி தஜம் 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 தாபிததோம் தஜம் 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 தீபிததோம் தஜம் 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 ததீம் ததீம் தமுதனம் ததோம் த்ரிதீம் நாத்ருதானி தோம் த்ரிதானி ததததீம் தததானி தீம் தீம் ஜம் தீம் தோ தீம் தததீம் ததீம் ஜம் தடம் ததோம் த்ரிதீம் ஜம் தடம் ததோம் த்ரிதீம் ஜம் தடம் ததோம் த்ரிதீம் தோம் த்ரிதீம் தோம் த்ரிதீம் தோம் ಇಂದಿನ ದಿನವೇ ಶುಭ ದಿನವೋ ಇಂದಿನವಾರ ಶುಭವಾರ ಇಂದಿನ ತಾರೆ ಶುಭ ತಾರೆ ಇಂದಿನ ಕರಣ ಶುಭ ಕರಣ ಇಂದಿನ ಯೋಗ ಶುಭ ಯೋಗ ಇಂದಿನ ಲಗ್ನ ಶುಭ ಲಗ್ನ ಇಂದು ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲರಾಯನ ಪಾಡಿನ ದಿನವೇ ಶುಭ ದಿನವೋ ಇಂದಿನ ದಿನ ದಿನವೋ ಜಯ ಮಂಗಳಂ ನಿತ್ಯ ಶುಭ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಜಯ ಮಂಗಳಂ ನಿತ್ಯ ಶುಭ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲಗೆ ಜಯ ಮಂಗಳಂ ನಟರಾಜ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗೆ ಶುಭ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಮಂಗಳಂ
Let's give Namita one fun, well-deserved round of applause for our We sincerely thank you all for being here to celebrate Namita's anniversary. We kindly request that you proceed to the cafeteria for dinner. Thank you and have a good night.